Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Everything's That back again with another YouTube video. Today, I am doing something super special. I'm so excited for this video. I've been planning for it for a while, and I'm so excited to finally do it. I hope to do it more in the future, and it's definitely a twist from our normal content, so I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to smash a like, subscribe, and comment down below. But today, we are diving into the stock market, and I'm going to be giving you, as you can see from the title, my top picks for 2021. My favorite stocks, my favorite anything that I think will do really good in 2021. And again, I just a little disclaimer, I'm not an advisor. Obviously, I'm 14. I've only invested since last July, and I don't plan on telling you to buy these, but I want to do it more for fun. I like doing this. I'm in an investment club at my school. I've been investing since July, and it's a fun thing to do, and I thought it'd be cool to make a video on it and kind of give you guys maybe some inspirations on some stocks you might want to look at, and number two, see where they are at the end of the year, because I think that'd be really cool to see how well they do. So if you guys want, make sure though, or if you guys want, I hope you enjoy, and make sure to watch to the end, and let's go. Okay, so let's get right on into the video. I do have to be a little quiet because it is a little late, if you know. So basically, I do have a slide in front of me just so you know I can remember exactly what I'm saying, and it's the stocks. I might show you guys. I don't think I will, but I might show you. So basically, I'm just gonna be presenting about 5 to 7 stocks today, and just kind of my opinions on them and why I think they're good stocks and why I think they would grow this year. And obviously, there's more. And obviously, these I guarantee they're gonna do good. Just my opinion. And yeah, so let's go. My first one is Enphase Energy. It's ENPH is its ticker. And it is a green energy solar stock. They make things for solar panels. Some microchips for solar panels. I've been invested in this company since October 13. I've had about I've almost doubled because I got in at 104. Actually, I have doubled. I got in at 104. It's now at $212, which is absolutely insane. That's over 100% return right there, just from that stock alone. Absolutely insane. And the reason I think this can keep pushing is because of the Biden administration. And obviously, I'm not getting political, but with the Biden administration, obviously that could lead a little more green energy leading. And well, ENPH, it's solar, it's green energy. That's gonna lead, obviously. It's a leader in the solar energy industry, especially on the stock market. It's just joined the S&P 500, which is huge news, absolutely huge news. It's just joined January 7th, one of the biggest news on any energy stock recently. It has no signs of slowing down right now. I will admit it's a little in consolidation, possibly after the run up for the S&P 500, which is, that's normal. There's no real news to hype it up, which might be a good buy-in price. I don't know. And it's a great growth as a company and has a very strong administration. So next, we're going to be going on to Tesla, an obvious one probably, another leading in the green industry, but mostly, obviously, the electric vehicle industry. Tesla shows no signs of slowing down whatsoever, whether you want it to or not, because I know a lot of people are thinking, oh, it's going to slow down. It's not going to. I mean, obviously, I can't predict the future, but people always say that, and then they regret it the next day. Elon Musk is the leadership. He has a huge impact on today's society and the stock market. Is such an influential guy. Just became the richest guy in the world. Big news is in the future for Tesla. Cheaper cars, new cars, refreshed models. Big news. That all that news would make Tesla soar. I just don't see Tesla slowing down anytime soon. I think it's gonna be a leader in the car industry. And you have to think. You might be thinking, oh, it's overvalued, but you have to think in the future, and that's why people are investing in Tesla like they do. And bear analysts are switching their opinion on the stock, and they're switching to being bulls, or just they aren't bears anymore. They don't think the stock's going to start going down, which is big news because that means some people are turning and changing their mind. Obviously, not everyone, but some. Avgo, the ticker is Avgo, AVGO. It's Broadcom. It's a quality stock. This is a long-term stock, just like the other ones. These are all kind of long-term, but this is a very slow, steady long-term. I mean, it's not even that slow, but it's a very good stock. I have had it since around September. It's been amazing. It's expensive though. It is expensive. It's about $450 right now, or a little under. It's a leader in the semiconductor industry and infrastructure for software products. They're gonna grow with 5G. 5G is skyrocketing, or will skyrocket soon. Large dividend yield of 3.23%. That can get you some nice dividend rate. Stock could be getting a lot of momentum, obviously, with 5G, and honestly, Broadcom is just a nice, steady, slow stock. I actually found it just off its chart, and I liked it off its chart. Then I looked in the company. It's a great company. It's been around forever, and it's a leader in the industry. And the only competitor is Qualcomm, but they're not even that much competitors, as they do some different things and make different chips for different companies. And analysts still think that this company is undervalued and has a lot of room to grow. All right. Also, earnings have exceedingly have steady growth. All right, next we're gonna be looking at Square. SQ is the ticker for this one. Square has excelled during the pandemic, which can easily continue through 2021. As saying the pandemic can continue through 2021. You know, vaccines, yes, they're going out, and they're going out, but they're going out slow. And even if they pick up, this is what I want to make clear: whether the pandemic leaves or not, Square is a growing company. Businesses use all the time. Yes, it's excelled because of the pandemic and at-home transactions, everything like that. But I'm not saying it's not a bad company, and nonetheless. And I'm gonna by the way, I hold all these stocks as well, and I think Square will do fine. Personally, Square has bought to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been absolutely through the roof recently. It just fell, but it's actually on its way back, which is big. Square has entered the crypto business, which is, again, big. Crypto is absolutely skyrocketing, whether you're talking Bitcoin or not. Crypto overall is skyrocketing. It's a very strong company, been around for years. Yes, it's a competitor with PayPal, but they both grow together, and they're both great companies. So PayPal could also be an option, obviously, if you want to invest in PayPal. I just like Square better. I like the stock. And without pandemic, yeah, like I said here, Square cannot grow, and the pandemic will, yeah, and if the pandemic continues, I think that will also help. So I think it's a win-win no matter what with the pandemic. And then, guys, I'm going to be looking at Corsair Gaming. The symbol on Corsair is going to be CRSR. I have had this stock for a while. I think it's, basically since it's IPO'd in September. It has tremendous growth in 2020 alone, over a 100% rate. I believe 143%. I could be wrong there. It had a sharp drop after the IPO hype. It had an insane IPO hype for over 2 or 3 months. It was insane. I was riding that train. It was awesome. And then it absolutely dropped near Thanksgiving. And, that's normal. It had a really large IPO hype. It did get overvalued, obviously, very quickly. It was going up about 13% a day. So it obviously is going to drop, and it did. And it has dropped for quite a bit now, but it's starting to really, I think, level itself up and come back. So I have 2 things that I could say on this stock. And actually, I'll have a few more things before I get to that. It's gaining on Logitech as a close competitor, and Logitech is valued on the stock market at $101 right now. Corsair is only at about $42. So I think it has room to grow. And it's not that overvalued. It's a little overvalued, but also gaming has been growing significantly. Same thing with streaming, absolutely skyrocketing, especially with the pandemic. And even without the pandemic, it'll keep going. It has a really strong administration. These guys have been in the gaming industry since before 2000, and they've owned the company. I forget. I honestly do for Randy Paul, something like that. This is the CEO. He's really good, and it's a really strong for possible long-term growth. But I want to add this: you can do 2 things with this stock. You could either have a long-term hold on it. I think that's a good idea, but it might fluctuate, and this is what I'm getting at. I think it could also be a good gap play throughout 2020. Now, if you don't know what a gap play, or 2021, if you don't know what a gap play is, just a super quick explanation. Basically, I mean this, or just swing it. You could throughout the year. It looks like as of now, it has a pattern. It's going after the big drop after the IPO near Thanksgiving. It went up, it went down, and then up, and then down, and then up, and now it's doing that again. It went down, and now it's going back up again. So it seems to have a pattern. Each time though, it goes down less, and it goes up even higher. So what I'm seeing is a steady pattern of swings you could pull. So get it when it's going down, catch it on the dip, and hold it all the way up. You're basically trading instead of just holding it, and you can obviously be more profitable if you do it right. I can guarantee it's going to do that, but overall I think it's going to be a good stock anyway, whether you hold it or not. And then I'm going to be also looking at SE. This is my last one. It's C Limited, or CLTD, sorry. It's a leader in consumer internet, and it's a many bullish signs and analysts for another repeat of 2020, where it soared 400%. Lots of analysts think it can do the same thing. It's been going crazy this year. Even on the red days, it's been up 5%. I just bought it just the other day. I'm already up like 10%. I bought it less than a week ago. 10 years. It's a very it's been not on the market, but it's been a 10 years plus strong company. It's a large cap. There's many bull analysts and multiple brokerage call SE a very strong buy. I would like to add on this stock, I personally did not do too much research on the company. I only have very few info here on the actual company itself. Now, there's a stock I more looked at the technical data, and I really liked it. I'll actually pop up a chart on the screen somewhere, and it looks beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful chart. It went 400% last year, and it looks like it can do it again, and it looks like it's just staying strong. I don't know why. I found it actually randomly, and then I researched the company. Company looks decent, but honestly, I'm buying it for the stock itself, and it looks very healthy, and I'm excited to hold it for this year. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash a like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. I also have a Discord for this, but I'll leave that Discord in the description. It's all stock talk, and I'll also leave my streamer Discord in the server in the description. Also, make sure to leave a sub though. Check out my other content. I do a lot more than just stocks, but I hope to also do some more stocks videos in the future. I think it'll be fun. So I do hope you guys like the stocks video, whether you're trying to get into them or not. I think these are really good entry stocks. I mean, I think they're safe. Most of them are safe. Obviously, again, I'm not an advisor. I can't advise you that. But they are kind of on one of the more expensive side. The cheapest one here would be Corsair, and then maybe Square, and then ENPH, and then SE. So it definitely is kind of they're definitely on the more expensive side. I might make a video of cheap ones though. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.